Welcome to our video on triangles. Today, we're exploring the different types of triangles and how we name them. Are all triangles the same? Take a look at these shapes. What do you notice about them? What exactly makes a triangle? Let's dive in and find out. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners or vertices, and closed shape. But here is something interesting about the shapes of triangles. There are 2 main ways to name triangles, by their sides and by their angles. Our mission is to discover how these categories work, starting with their sides. Let's look closely at this triangle. What do you notice about the length of its 3 sides? This triangle is special. All 3 sides are the same length. This is an equilateral triangle. It's called that because all 3 of its sides are equal in length. Can you identify the equilateral triangle? Here is another set of triangles. Can you find the equilateral one this time? Now, let's look at another type of triangle. What do you notice about this one? This triangle has 2 sides that are the same length, while the third side is different. This is an isosceles triangle. You can say it like I-sos-a-les. In an isosceles triangle, at least 2 of the sides have the same length. Can you spot the isosceles triangle? Let's see if you can spot the isosceles triangle in this set. Take a look at this triangle. Are the sides different, or do they share lengths? We can see that all 3 sides have different lengths. When all sides are different lengths, it is called a scalene triangle, pronounced scalene. Now, let's practice. Can you guess the triangle type shown here? That is an example of an isosceles triangle. Here is another one for you to name. That is an equilateral triangle, where all sides are equal. Moving on, which type of triangle is this? This is a scalene triangle. Let's try another challenge. Look closely. The sides are different in length. Again, this is a scalene triangle because all sides are unique. Can you name this triangle? That is an isosceles triangle. Guess the triangle. Take a moment to look at this shape. It is an equilateral triangle, identified by its 3 equal sides. Thanks for learning with me. Part 1 is complete. Next, we will explore types of triangles by their angles. See you in Part 2.